Events are really made to share, because I think with the challenges we are faced with Industry 4.0 and digitalization, we need to move all together. So these events are really important, that we share what the others are doing, we learn from each other, so that we get the speed we need to get this delivered.
I think it's a very important event because it will help us to understand from each other why there are still some problems in order to get really smart manufacturing as a mainstream in the industry.
An event like this gives us an opportunity to come out of the companies, come out of our daily tasks, and swap out ideas on what we think is going to be a long-term future. And taking time off for this gives us an opportunity to bring together different pieces and see the big picture.
Come together with other people having the same problems, talking about the same advantages and disadvantages on new technologies.
Several times you need to collaborate. You can't do this by your own anymore. The times are over. You have to work together to survive together.